Time passes and technological advancements bring us more hidden facts about space in a decade than in all time before that. Today we've literally searched the whole universe for the most fantastic space facts. Watch till the end because number 3 will definitely shock you. Number 1, a full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. Any more questions about why we don't fly to space so often? About 70% of the total cost was for the backpack and control module. NASA still uses the spacesuits that were made in 1974. In 2019, the first all-female spacewalk was canceled because of spacesuit availability. If we converted the total amount of today's pricing, this would be around $150 million. Number 2, why space appears black. Space appears black, but why? Space gurus may suggest that there should be no black space because stars are everywhere and should fill the sky with light. It's a phenomenon called Olber's paradox, named for the German astronomer who posed it in 1823. If the universe is infinite, static, and timeless, then everywhere you look should eventually hit a star. But guess what? The universe is neither static nor timeless. Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is expanding. Analyzing thermal radiation left over from the Big Bang, we can suggest that the universe is 13.8 billion years old. That's why we don't see stars in every direction. Some stars haven't been around long enough for their light to reach us. Number 3, NASA has recorded eerie space sounds. NASA uses sonic sonification to take signals from radio waves, plasma waves, and magnetic fields and turns them into audio tracks to hear what's happening in space. Well, something chilling does happen there. The sounds range from ambulance-like screeches to beeps reminiscent of an alien spaceship making its approach. Hear and judge for yourself. What horrifying thing could make up those sounds? Number 4, we have visited every planet in our solar system. We've been actively exploring space for more than 60 years and have been lucky to get close-up pictures of dozens of celestial objects. Our spacecraft have been to all the planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and 2 dwarf planets, Pluto and Ceres. Most photos came from NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which left Earth more than 4 decades ago and still transmit data from interstellar space. Number 5, sunsets on Mars are blue. The Curiosity Mars rover's first color photograph of a sunset in 2015 revealed a surprising twist. Sunsets on the red planet are blue. NASA says this is because dust in the Martian atmosphere has fine particles that permit blue light to penetrate the atmosphere more efficiently than longer wavelength colors, like yellow, orange, and red. Now you have an excellent idea for a romantic weekend. Number 6, a mysterious huge planet on the edge of our solar system. In January 2015, California Institute of Technology astronomers made mathematical calculations and simulations and discovered that there could be a giant planet lurking far beyond Neptune. Now, several teams are hunting for this theoretical Planet 9, and research suggests it could be located within the decade. Nibiru rival? If it exists, this large object could help explain some objects' movements in the Kuiper Belt, an icy collection of objects beyond Neptune's orbit. Some scientists suggest that Planet 9 could be a grapefruit-sized black hole, warping space similar to a gigantic planet. And yet another team says that the weird movements of the far-flung Kuiper Belt occupants could be the collective influence of several small objects, not an unidentified planet or black hole at all. Number 7, there may be a planet made out of diamonds. Young rappers, listen up. This one is pretty impressive. Yale University scientists' research suggests that there's a rocky planet called 55 Cancer E. It is twice the size of Earth and has a mass 8 times greater. Imagine all that surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away, but visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Cancer. Who's up for a space trip? Don't forget your diamond pick. Number 8, we don't know exactly where the moon came from. As long as it's been out there, we're still trying to figure out who put the moon in its place. We are still determining exactly where the moon came from, but many theories exist. The leading theory and the most widely accepted is the Great Impactor theory. This theory suggests that a large object, about the size of Mars, impacted Earth soon after the solar system formed. This impact caused large amounts of heated material to be ejected into space by the Earth and the colliding object, Theia. Eventually, this ejected material collected and formed our moon. But what do you think? How did the moon get up above our heads? Let us know your opinion in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can get an upload and enjoy the excellent content we send your way.